2 weeks after the election, Justice David Prosser has declared victory in the race for state Supreme Court. Good evening, I'm Eric Franke. Susan is off tonight. We have continuing coverage as a possible recount still looms. News 3 political reporter Jessica Arp joins us. She's in the news center with details. Jess.
Well, Eric, both candidates have now declared victory since election night after a roller coaster 2 weeks of canvass results that could still be subject to a recount.
Thank you.
Justice David Prosser, thanking supporters, friends, and a newly acquired legal team, is declaring victory in a tight race for Supreme Court.
A funny thing happened to me on the way to my concession speech. The people of Wisconsin told me to tear it up and go back to work. Thank you, Wisconsin.
Prosser calls the election uncomfortably close, but is calling it a win.
Now that all 72 counties have completed their canvasses, the result of the election is not in doubt.
And we did win, and we're confident that the margin will hold.
But Joanne Kloppenberg, who declared victory after the election, has until Wednesday night to ask for a recount on results she thought were convincing on April 6th.
And I'm confident that the GAB will certify the numbers that we all have in front of us now.
Kloppenberg's team says they are still considering their options, while Prosser's attorney says they'll challenge any recount.
Literally tens of thousands of dollars have been spent by the counties in preparing for what is ultimately a frivolous act. If there's some motive here that has anything to do with something other than trying to overturn a campaign, that's for politics. That's not for the public expense at a time when, frankly, we can't afford it.
Attorney Troupis wouldn't say what legal grounds they could challenge the recount on, only that they were exploring options. In the meantime, the Government Accountability Board will release a summary report tomorrow on the Waukesha County results that were incorrectly reported on election night.
All right, News 3's Jessica Arp, our political reporter in the News Center. Jess, thanks.